Hi everyone, Deb here. Welcome to hashtag 52 Weeks of Colorspiration. The host for this collaboration is Left-Handed Crafter, who is Brandy. Hey Brandy. And she will be linked down below, as well as two other people that I know have participated at least once this year, and one of them more than once. I don't think they're actively participating now, and if you would like to participate, please let us know in the comments. You're welcome to play along. Just let us know that you have and where your picture or video is, and we'll be happy to link you in the description box as well and mention you in our videos. Um, so I went back to one of the books that we're using for our end of month collab. I kept it very simple this time because I'm late. Yes, I know. Right day, a little bit late on the hour, but yeah, no excuses. Anyway, one sec. So sorry. Okay, so let me just show you. I used alcohol markers this time. Oops, that's not it. There's the back. That's what Brandy does. There's the back. Isn't that pretty? And my sheet here, which almost went through it went through the top one a little bit. So you see, you have to have at least two copy paper or one thicker cardstock behind each time when you're doing alcohol markers, and possibly even other markers. I used Stampin' Up! Alcohol markers this time. I'll try to remember the colors. Um, this is Berry Burst with a little bit of Darling Duckling Dark. The leaves are all Granny Apple Green Dark. This greeny blue color is Summer Splash. Nope. Shy Shamrock. Sorry. Shy Shamrock, light and dark. And this is a retired color, Purple Posy. I was going for Petunia Pop, but realized I don't have that because I probably didn't buy it because I have Purple Posy, which is a long retired color. The giraffe is done in Pecan Pie Light and dark, a little bit on here and around here. And Crumb Cake Light here, here, and here, and Crumb Cake Dark, and Crumb Cake Dark also on here, and Crumb Cake Light there. And I think that's about it. I didn't really do, oh, and this is also Berry Burst, same as these flowers down here, the little heart. I didn't use any gel pens. I thought about bringing one in to put dots in the middle of there, but I'm just not into it this week. So let's see. I need a pen that will write. Where's my pen? I don't know. This should do, hopefully. Yeah, let me just sign this. Today is August 17th, Sunday. Oops. I'm at a weird angle trying to write that. So, because I'm cramped right now, I have stuff everywhere. Yeah. All right. I hope you enjoyed. Please go check out Brandy at Left-Handed Crafter and use the hashtag, and you can see our past videos, and you can also see other people who have participated that way as well. Okay. Have a wonderful Sunday and a wonderful week ahead. I think we're finally getting a little bit of a break in the weather this coming week, like high of 79 instead of 87 or something. So yes, I'm ready. Although I'm going to put a post in my community post thing, just some pictures from the last couple days of walks with either just by myself or with my daughter, and you'll see some of our trees are starting to change color already. And also at the university I walk at across the road, some of them are falling already, and I'm like, this is August, that shouldn't be happening till, late September. This year's totally messed up. I think it's because it's been very dry here the last couple weeks. I mean, we had like an hour-long shower last week, and that's about it. So the last 3 weeks, we haven't really had precipitation, and we've had high temperatures like into the 90s for a while, and now high 80s Fahrenheit. This is all Fahrenheit, and Yeah, so it's been hot and dry, and I think that's why the trees are changing. Does anybody agree with me? And also, I think that's kind of a sign that we might be in for a rough winter. I hope not, but I think so. Anyway, take care, everyone. Have a great week, and I'll see you Monday on my other channel, Dahlia Designs Jewelry and More. So be sure to check that out. And I didn't get live last week on Thursday like I had wanted to, but I might do Tuesday this week. I'm not sure yet. I have some things going on for the house and I have to check the schedule on that. But if that doesn't happen on Tuesday, then I'll probably come live 2:30ish Tuesday. Okay? Take care. Hugs, love, and peace.